Cheeky Parrot. I'm rather fond of animals, so I thought about a pet. A snake or a honey badger maybe I could get. A grizzly bear, piranha fish or a kangaroo. Bengali tiger? No, none of those will do. As I was munching merrily on a psychedelic carrot, a good idea struck me to buy a cheeky parrot. I taught it every swear word that I had ever heard. It soon became infamous as a foul-mouthed bird. I took it into church whilst singing in the choir. It sang Amazing Grace, and it really sounded dire. I bought a little skateboard and it whizzed off down the street. That feathered impresario made my life a treat. We engaged in drinking contest, but I wasn't able to win because it could drink anyone underneath the table. It barked like a Rottweiler, and when he heard that sound, our postman was a nervous wreck delivering on his round. I bought him a CD player and a little shower cap, so every morning without fail he would wash and wrap. He did impersonations and sounds like a toilet flush. His stories were so vulgar he could make a builder blush. Perched on my shoulder, we told jokes for money. People roared with laughter as they found us funny. He celebrated with champagne when he turned 21. 3 bottles sadly proved too much, and now he's polygon. Thank you. Please subscribe down below, click on like and also share.